Welcome back to the latest edition of Wu-McMillan Group's weekly market update. Now, these updates are designed to keep you up to date on the current changes in the mortgage industry and how these changes may benefit you. Hi, I'm Jay Wu, your certified mortgage planner, on behalf of Sean McMillan and the Wu-McMillan Group. Now, I felt compelled to address what you've been hearing and reading about in the news and in the newspapers the last few weeks. It is true the Federal Reserve has recently cut rates by 0.75%. However, these rate cuts do not necessarily mean that mortgage interest rates will be going down. Dropping the Fed fund rates lowers short-term rates associated with business loans, consumer loans, credit cards, home equity lines, and other adjustable rate mortgages. The Fed rate cut is a rate at which banks borrow money, not the rate at which they lend money. Now, the Fed rate cuts do not have a direct impact on long-term fixed mortgage rates. In fact, they often serve to push them in the opposite direction. Now, key issues regarding economic news, dramatic fluctuations in the stock market tend to influence the interest rates more than a Fed rate cut. Now, our current market is in a complete state of flux. The involvement of the Fed is an indicator that they're trying to regulate the stability of the economy. Now, what does all this mean to you as a homeowner? It means that you're likely not to see rates bottom out and stay low month after month. However, if you can catch it at just the right time, the current market may provide a small window for you to lock in an excellent interest rate. Now, to take full advantage of any future dips in the market, my recommendation would be for you to get in touch with us and turn in your paperwork and determine when is best next course of action for you and where exactly rates need to be for you to benefit from a refinance. So we welcome your questions or comments. Please feel free to email us at team@wumac.com. That's team@wumac.com, or call us at 310-234-3278. This has been an update from Jay Wu on behalf of Sean McMillan and the Wu-McMillan Group. Who's the next person you know who could use our help? Thanks so much for watching. Hang in there.